Well, I ran into a little bit of a problem here. Actually, quite a bit of a problem. I finally got my brand new exhausts from Thailand. This was the original. And that's not the right one. But these holes are the same distance apart, so that would work. But unfortunately, while these are in a straight line, on these there's an offset between them. So from here to here, this is sticking out too far. And the solution would either be to cut about a centimeter out of here and then weld it back together, but my welding skills suck, or it attaches to here. I could cut about a centimeter off of this right here, and then it would line up properly, I think. Now they fit, the ends fit together properly with this, so that shouldn't be a problem. But anyway, I think I'll work on that tomorrow. Right now, what I'm going to try and do is get this carburetor out of here because it obviously needs some work. I've got a kit on the way, so I'll be redoing the carburetor. I've already checked the clearance on the valves. They all are good, and both of them, yeah. So, dang, it would be nice if I was a Dale Swieger. I would just cut this bracket off of here and put it on over here, but I'm not. This has got pinch welds here. I'm going to save these, at least. So let me get that carb off of there. Alrighty then. This is the carburetor out of that CA160 with a CA95 engine. And it's in pretty sad shape. The slide was still moving. That was always good. Ouch! It pinched me. And this don't want to come off. There it came off. Whoa! I am color me impressed. That's not bad at all. You can see in there it's pretty clean. This is relatively clean. I'm going to take these jets out. Main jet here. No problem, not stuck. Yeah, the holes are plugged up in that emulsion tube. Pilot jet comes loose. Oh, I didn't bring any tweezers. Pilot jet, I'm sure, is clogged. Yep, totally. And I don't know if we can get this out without some tweezers or something. I'll be right back. Alright, let's see what we got here. I think we'll push that a little way. So even that's loose. That's amazing. If I can get a hold of it now, pull that right out. Floats look great. There is no clip on the needle seat, but see if that needle's stuck in. No, needle is free. Looks to be in good shape. It's got the proper gasket underneath there. Let's see what this is going to be. Idle, and this will be, let's see how many turns out we are. It doesn't feel like we're out at all. We'll have to check the book and see what that says. That's really dirty. Okay, let's take the idle speed out. And I don't know that we can do anything with that. That's a choke. That goes down, up and down in here, in this area here. And it looks like it either blocks off some air. I don't know if you can even see that, but right there. I have no idea what this screw is. I might have to look that up. There's another jet in there. This comes off. Didn't know that. But there's a jet down in here. It's not stuck either. This is a Cayenne or there was a screw behind the air jet there, I'm sure it was. Down in here, it looks like there's little air holes down under there. Now, I don't know if that'll... I didn't bring anything to get this out of there with. That looks like possibly an 8. I don't think it's a 10. An 8 or a 9 probably. So I'm going to go warm up the ultrasonic, and I'm going to go out and I'm not going to take this out. I am going to go try and find me some very thin little wires to try and open those two jets up, although I don't know what they are. I think they may just be vents. It appears there's a very small hole down in here in this brass piece. I don't know if you can see that. But then that goes up this tube here on the outside, and then there's a hole up here. So I suspect those are just vents for the float bowl. And there's a little bit of crud down in the bottom, a little rust maybe. Not bad at all, actually. So let me get the ultrasonic going and go out and get a couple of wrenches so I can get this out and see if I can find something to clean those holes out with. Might have to do it with brake clean or carb clean, one or the other. Okay, we got this carb out of the ultrasonic cleaner, and all the pieces came out pretty clean. I just went out and got a couple of fine wires out of a wire brush out there because my pilot jet is clogged, so we need to open that up. It don't even want to let this fine wire go through there. Well, it has a hole in it now. But I'm not sure it's the right size hole. Okay. This one, we need to take our little wire here, if we can get it, and poke it through all these holes. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay, this needs a new gasket here. Okay. Okay. And That doesn't look right. I'm wondering if that's the wrong needle. Could be. That's where it goes. And then this covers it up. And I'm still concerned about this, these floats. Need to get the measurement and get that set properly. I think we're pretty much done, except I need the gaskets. And we'll be able to see if we can make it run. Let me make sure I didn't leave anything out here. No, everything's cool. Well, the CA95 engine, the carburetor on it, has a special jet in it for operating above 6,000 RPM, which is, they say, about 70 kilometers per hour in high gear, or what is that, 45, 50 and miles per hour. So anyway, I'm waiting to see. I ordered a carb kit for this guy. I'm not real happy with the slow jet, they call it, or pilot jet. I had to force that little wire through it, and it seemed like it was pretty small. That may be correct, I'm not sure. Maybe I enlarged it a little bit. But they say the slow jet only is effective for the first 1/8 of the throttle. So anyway, we'll see if the kit contains a proper number 35 slow jet, why I will be replacing that. But right now, I think I'm going to go work on the exhausts and see if I can patch them up so they will work on this bike. I wish I was a little better at fabricating, but I'm not. So we'll do the best we can and go from there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. This is the old guy signing off.